Hey guys, this is one of the coolest things I've found in a while. This is a brand new in the box chrome FASCo decorator. FASCo decorator is a childhood fan of mine that I've yet to find, and if I could pick any finish to find one in, it would definitely be chrome. I don't think I saw a chrome one as a kid, but I did see chrome FASCos as a kid. There was I think it was a big church, but I was there for a school conference, and one of the classrooms had a chrome FASCo parlor fan with white cane blades. I think it might have even been ornate. And I kept trying to turn it on, but I couldn't figure out how to make it work. And then another classroom that I wasn't allowed in because it was for the older kids had what I now know to be a chrome Terra with white blades. At the time, I didn't realize it was a Terra. It could, I guess in hindsight, it also could have been a American Industries or Calcutta. But I seem to remember the switch housing being small. So let's take a look at the box. It's behind Andy, so if you want to move out of the way, Andy, here's the box. It didn't come with a manual, though. I just realized that. There was no manual in there, was there?
Not that I saw, and I was wondering the same thing, so I could check and see which screw was which.
Yeah. Andy would never mix up the screws and put it together wrong.
No,
He's far too smart for that. So there's the box. Stuffs. Here's a label. Disc blades. But yeah, no manual. Interesting. Excuse me.
Lifetime limited warranty.
Yeah.
3 speeds, electrically reversible, FASCO heavy-duty ball bearing motor. 100% factory tested for
100% performance.
Yes.
Came in black, blue, chrome, gray, peach, rose, and white. I wouldn't mind finding one in black or gray. I think those would be pretty cool. White's kind of similar to like a State Fair, Vanity Fair. Peach, rose, or blue would be cool, but I would never have a place to put it. I already know. Oh, is the date on here? No, it just says 1/20/16. Interesting. I already know what's going to happen to this if it doesn't go in the museum. My wife's going to want it because she loves chrome fans. How does this chair get moved? I don't know. Which one are you guys?
Us guys.
So, okay. Bearings are really stiff for it being a new in the box fan, but it still performs. So let's check it out. We're going to hit the high switch and we'll see what it does on low. Anybody catch the current rating?
Oh. No.
Okay, we won't worry about it.
Yeah, because we can.
There's low. 0.22. That's a beautiful low speed.
Mm-hmm.
Medium. 0.51.
Okay.
High. 0.9. Metal piece can do the airflow test. I can already tell you it's going to be solidly in the K55 motor category. Probably going to be very similar to a Casablanca Four Seasons,
Oh yeah.
since it's a really killer 48-inch fan.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Spin down.
Spin down. Medium low, and the reverse switch is in the motor housing, so I have to wait for it to spin down before I can reverse it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see it.
It's interesting that they went from the State Fair to the Decorator. State Fair having the same housing as the smaller parlor fans, and the Decorator having the same housing as the larger parlor fans, and yet they're both 48-inch 5-blade fans. I wonder what the design change was about.
Did any other FASCos have rounded blade tips?
That's a good question. I don't think so. I think the Decorator might be the only one. At least of the American-made ones. Some of the imported ones did.
Mm-hmm.
They had an imported one that was like a Homestead Wind copy that had rounded blade tips. Is it already on low? I think I already said it's low.
Is it?
.21.
Okay. Okay.
Medium, 0.51. So we're exactly the same in forward and reverse. .89. So we're actually a little less in reverse
Yeah.
for high. Okay. Gets up to speed really quickly. It's got a. I wonder if it's got the same motor as the 52-inch ones. There. I wasn't gonna do that because I didn't want to smudge up the chrome.
Sure. Okay.
You want to do the controls?
Sure,
Of
sure.
course he does.
Decade box. All right. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, it started on 2, and we are at .09.
Only reason I'm surprised it started on 2 is because of how stiff the bearings were.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do 3. .14. Okay. Let's see what 4 does with an Emerson. .19.
The only thing I don't like about this, I don't like white blades on a chrome fan. I don't like white or black blades on a chrome fan. I like a rich wood finish, like a rosewood or a walnut or mahogany or something like that. So that's what I'd like to find for it. But finding rounded FASCo blades will be very hard.
Yeah. This is definitely. What was factory low?
Factory low was .21.
Okay, so we're really close to that. This is on 4 with the Emerson control.
Okay.
So I think an Emerson control would.
The FASCo control would be 5, 10, 15. They use
Yeah.
the standard values.
Yep. .23 on 5, so you're very, very close with that. With the standard control, close to factory. 6. .27. 7, which would be medium low for an Emerson. So that's a nice medium
Where's
low.
your camera, Dan?
It's on the ladder.
Yep.
Oh.
And 8.35.
Oh, it blended right into the base of the drill.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be too fast for an 812. 59.39. So 10 we're at .43, so that's like your medium.
Yeah.
And then 12. .45. 13.48. 14.51. 15.54 for medium high on standard control. That's medium high. 16.56. 17.59. What was high?
High was .89, .9, right around there.
Okay, so I got a ways.
Yeah.
18.61. I'm just gonna skip to 20.64. So 22. And then I'm just gonna go 25.71. 25, 28.74, and then 30.76. And at 30, 32.76, 35.78, 38. I'm at 0.8 on 38, so I still got a ways. Just say 0.89.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna max it out.
Max it out then.
0.81, then you're maxed
Okay.
out.
Hit high, just I like to always have a comparison so we can see.
Yep,
Not a huge difference though. Pretty close.
but yeah, you still had a ways. So
Okay.
Then the solid state.
Yeah. I'm probably not going to do 0 to high with this one because it's got a rubber flywheel that replacements are hard to find for. Even though the rubber flywheel seems to be in great shape. Sometimes with new and box fans, the flywheel's all rotted out. Other times it's in really good shape. This one, it really seems to be in good shape. But I think I'm going to pass on 0 to high for this one. We'll just
Alright.
do the solid state and call it a day.
Okay. Okay, 0.23.
You want to back it off some? That seemed a little...
Yeah.
Where are you at now?
0.11.
Okay.
At 6, I backed it more.
Yeah. It's moving. What's it at?
0.09. Just like on 2. So I'm just going to go up. 12.
Man, I love a chrome finish.
0.16. So that's your low. 230. 0.21. So that's your factory low.
So far, pretty silent.
Yep, I'm just going to go up to 3 o'clock, which already takes me to 0.25. How's any hum or?
Not really audible that I can hear.
Okay. 0.32. 0.4. Well, I'm starting to hear.
Little bit. Little bit.
Yeah, not too bad though.
Yeah, it's still usable.
Yeah, I would be usable in a living room.
Yeah.
0.45. I'm going to go straight up with it. 0.64. 11.74.
He really loves doing those controls.
And then just high, I'm at 0.88.
Okay. Well, I think that's the whole thing, because like I said, I wasn't going to do a 0 to high.
No.
So, Metal Pete and I will be back with some more videos later. Thanks for watching.